Here's KATC meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, fortunately, Acadiana dodging another bullet with a fairly significant severe weather threat across the area that didn't materialize, and I can't tell you why. We won't ask questions. We'll just say thank you and move on. Unfortunately, not the same story. Eastern Louisiana, central, northern Louisiana into Mississippi this evening, and Alabama and Georgia. More on that in just a bit. So let's take a look at the big picture. And we've had some very intense thunderstorms. Good looking stuff, at least on the satellite imagery where you see these areas of magenta. That's minus 70-degree temperatures, super cold cloud tops. That's why we had the severe storms in the northern part of the state, the western part of the state, the central part of the state. And then you see how things have been moving through Mississippi and into Alabama, and a pretty strong cluster that has been developing across southeast Louisiana as the evening has worn on. In fact, Lafayette had a shower right around 8:30, 8:15 or so, and watch what happened to that. And this is why we were kind of in the initiation zone. Watch what happens. You see that just developing right at the end? That was the shower that moved through Lafayette, and now we have severe warnings on it, and that's the way it goes in the weather world. Ground clutter here, showers and nasty storms off to the east. Just a few renegade showers left over in St. Mary Parish, but that's about it locally. And you can see the nasty storms mainly north of Lake Pontchartrain right now. Mandeville getting hit hard just south of Bogalusa, and then you get into Mississippi as well, where we have severe thunderstorm warnings going. Tornado watches still in effect there, but dropped here locally. And here are all the severe weather reports over the last 24 hours, starting out with the hail we had last night, and then all the wind damage reports. We had damage in around the Leesville area in the northwestern part of the state, and then you can see all the action moving into Mississippi and still adding to those numbers. And that severe weather threat, a moderate severe weather threat, goes all the way to Georgia and an enhanced threat all the way through coastal South Carolina through tomorrow morning. So showers and storms will continue to cause trouble overnight tonight as they push off to the east. Meanwhile, our weather quiets down. Clouds and fog develops by tomorrow morning, but sunny skies for tomorrow afternoon. Should be a nice day with temperatures getting out into the upper 70s to lower 80s and just a little bit of a north breeze. That's about it. So let's move ahead and get into Tuesday. Another nice day Tuesday. Some high clouds in the area, and then here comes the next weather system as we get into late Wednesday. The risk of showers, thunderstorms, and perhaps a severe weather threat from Louisiana into Mississippi, and areas around Hattiesburg got hit tonight just south of Hattiesburg by a long-tracked tornado that was about 50 miles south of the long-tracked tornado they had on Easter Sunday. And here we go again, more nasty weather late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning for our friends off to the east, and then that system will be moving on out, and we have some nice weather as we finish out next week and go into the weekend. Near-term only issue is fog across the area. We do think fog is going to get thick in spots. The model going for near zero visibilities. We have that weak frontal boundary trying to push on through in a very light pressure gradient. And it may take a while for the fog and clouds to burn off, but we think by tomorrow afternoon we'll be back to sunny skies. So temperatures tonight cooling down, lower 60s, perhaps upper 50s up toward Alexandria. Then tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s to lower 80s. Some good looking weather ahead for sure. So showers ending, cooling off late, fog developing late too by tomorrow morning. Lower 60s your low. Then for tomorrow, back to a pleasant weather pattern after morning fog and clouds. A mostly sunny afternoon, 81 the high. And as we indicated, Tuesday looking good as well, warming up. And then we get into Wednesday. Rain chances late in the day. We may get most of Wednesday in dry, but showers and storms into Wednesday night, ending early Thursday. And then pretty good looking weather as we go into next weekend. There'll be a few weather systems around, but nothing of concern. But that next weather system late Wednesday into early Thursday could have strong, maybe some severe storms somewhere close by. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.